Welcome to our quick guide on the H1B visa program, one of the most sought-after immigration pathways to the United States. Today we'll explain. What is the H1B program? Key requirements and limitations. Loopholes that can be exploited. Let's dive in. The H1B visa program allows US employers to hire foreign workers temporarily in specialized fields. These typically require a minimum of a bachelor's degree or its equivalent. The program also accommodates fashion models with exceptional talent. However, it's primarily used in industries like IT, engineering and healthcare. India, China, Canada, South Korea and the Philippines dominate H1B issuance, with India accounting for a staggering 56% of applications, followed by China at 14%. Most recipients of the H1B are already in the US, graduating from American universities with advanced degrees. The program ensures fair wages by requiring employers to match or exceed local prevailing wages for similar positions. This aims to protect US workers while bringing in foreign talent. To qualify for an H1B visa, employers must file a petition including details like the intended employment period, proof of specialized skills and education, legal fees, petition fee, which employers must pay, approximately $15,000 in total expenses. The program is governed by the Immigration and Nationality Act of 1952, updated by the ACWIA Act of 1998 and the H1B Reform Act of 2004. Here's a limitation. The annual cap is 85,000 visas for for-profit companies. Demand far exceeds this cap, so a lottery system determines who receives the visa. Unfortunately, only about 20% of applicants succeed. It's worth noting that labour condition applications, LCA, ensure fair wages and compliance with US labour laws, but there's still room for improvement. The H1B has some interesting provisions like portability, which allows workers to change employers without losing their status. It's also a key stepping stone for green card sponsorship by employers, making it a long-term pathway to US residency. However, loopholes exist. For example, the 90-day rule bans employers from firing US workers 90 days before or after filing an H1B petition. But this rule can be sidestepped by simply waiting out the 90-day period before making layoffs. Despite its challenges, the H1B remains a vital tool for bringing in specialized talent, filling critical gaps in the US workforce. So is the H1B program a gateway to opportunity or a system in need of reform? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below and check out the links for more resources on US work visas. Thanks for watching. The H1B visa program is not just a simple work visa, it represents a complex intersection of immigration policy, labor market needs, and economic strategy. It's a program that has evolved over decades, adapting to the changing needs of the US economy and workforce. From its inception in the 1950s to the significant reforms in the late 1990s and early 2000s, the H1B visa has been a topic of much debate and legislative action. It's a program that has brought in some of the brightest minds from around the world, contributing to innovation and growth in various sectors. Yet it's also a program that faces criticism and calls for reform, particularly around issues of fairness, exploitation, and the impact on domestic workers. As we look to the future, the H1B visa program will likely continue to be a focal point in discussions about immigration and labor policy. Whether it evolves to better meet the needs of all stakeholders or undergoes significant changes, its impact on the US and global workforce is undeniable. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the H1B visa program.